Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the first in the UK series. Oh my goodness, I still cannot believe I'm here. We've been here for about a week now. We've got over the jet lag. And today I wanted to shoot, it's actually just a complete random one. Two topics. The first one is we are having a raclette for Lexi's birthday. Obviously, she's only one. She's not going to understand the concept of that, but you know, that's what we're doing. And the second thing was, my dad has wanted to try and make fire for like forever. He always watches those shows on TV, you know. So Tom was like, I'll bring some sticks over and we can do, you know, making fire from scratch. So that is about to happen. Just in case you guys are new, my name is Charlie. This is my husband Tom. He is Australian. Obviously we live in Australia normally, but we are over in the UK. This is my brother Henry, and he is a professional cameraman. So if there's any pretty B-roll shots, that's his work, not mine, obviously, because I'm not very good, as you know. My mum's avoiding the camera. Mum's hiding. She's papping me. And this is Emily, Henry's girlfriend, and this is little Lexi. She's not really. There we go. Aww. So we're getting this fire making process underway. What's going on? This is my dad, who is about to make fire. Well, we'll see anyway if he's going to. See, this is Henry getting involved. I'm filming you, filming me, filming you. If you've seen the New York film, then you'll know Henry, because he was, you know, filming lots for that. So, and Iceland as well. If you're a long-term subscriber, then yay! Thank you. What are you doing?
Turning pine bark into aerated pine bark.
Fluffing it up. Is that the first stage of the process?
More or less. You need to make sure you've got a tinder bundle. We have the sticks from the tropics, from Darwin, Australia, and the beach hibiscus. And we've got another cool thing used to make fire. It's a type of horse hoof fungi that takes an ember very well. So I haven't actually tested this particular one, but we'll see. We will see how it goes. Everything's laid out, ready to go. And yeah, I'll burn in for Richard and get it ready. And then you can have a go to see if you can get an ember. Should be interesting.
Yeah, it should be very interesting.
See if you can get an ember.
I'm not trying to make fire now, I'm just burning in.
You've got soft wood and hardwood, haven't you?
No, they're both soft.
Both soft?
See, it's flat now. When we started that, it had a point. So the point just helps it to locate, to get it started, otherwise it just kind of skates around all over the joint. Now the next thing is to look at your base piece and pick the thicker side. And this side looks thinner because there's no bark on it. But I reckon it's about the same. So I will cut this side to make that notch. You need the notch to let air in underneath and to allow the really hot embers and powder of wood to heap up. So yeah, without the notch you won't get it going. So make a notch.
Tom, when did you learn to actually do this?
What do you mean learn?
When did you actually, or why do you know? Is it because of tour guiding?
YouTube.
YouTube?
No one taught me. I saw it on YouTube and then I tried it, and then just to work it out.
That wasn't the answer I was expecting. I was like expecting you to be like, well, I've been a tour guide for like 12 years and I learned.
Lost in the desert and we had to cook a kangaroo.
Yeah, exactly. Not, oh, I just learned on YouTube. The joys of YouTube.
No, I looked it up on YouTube and watched a few, like Ray Mears, you know, the legend, the one and only.
Yeah.
That's exactly why Dad wants to do this. He's like, oh, you know, watched all the survival.
If you're going to go on a desert island, who do you want to take with you? I think your mum always said Ray Mears.
Yeah. You won't come down on the floor, Richard?
This is going to be fun. That might be even more difficult. So what we're going to do, use this?
So
sorry, Mum.
It's surprisingly a lot of force.
Oh.
You're going to start right at the top, and the force is pushing down and pushing tight together.
I don't know whether I'm going to be strong enough.
Hang on 1 sec. Yeah.
I'm not standing so.
So it spins now, that's it. That's more like it. And then straight back to the top. And you need to push down.
I can't put enough force on it.
Little
She
one.
wants to make fire
She
too.
does, obviously.
You got it? That's the right motion.
Maybe later.
Maybe later, little one. A little frown or yawning.
I can't put enough force on it. I don't think. I can't get in as much.
We'll,
You might have to do that.
I'll do it because it won't work. It's surprisingly
You mean I'm going to have a cold meal when I'm in the desert?
less of a good shot of it.
It's got to be quite strong, hey?
I'll warm it up for you. Yeah.
You can maybe do
So
the
that's
next.
pretty light. I'm doing it just to get a bit of heat into it. You gonna go for it, Charlie?
I want to have a go.
Oh. You have a go?
If you kept doing that for about another 40 seconds,
Oh, it'll be alright.
it might go.
It might go.
How do you know when it's going?
Well, there's quite a bit of smoke, but you just keep going and going and going, and once you think it's started, you keep going a bit more,
And they've got an end.
and then that pile will get pretty big, and it will just keep smoking on its own.
Oh.
Push down hard, and push hands together really hard.
Ow.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not quite as easy as you think.
This is not easy.
Well, I'll say as easy as you think, but it's...
Okay, I'm not going to be able to push down hard enough, am I?
You can breathe too. Gotta tilt it down more.
Oh my goodness me. It's definitely like just hurting my
You give
hand.
yourself a blister if you
Oh,
go for too long.
hang on. Okay. It's not doing anything.
No.
I've not even got smoke. I'd go really, really hungry and
Yeah, you wanna go, Henry?
Henry's gonna have a go now.
Put more force down.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. He's getting there. Getting a bit of smoke. My hand's hurt.
You got it. It's done.
It's done.
It's good. It's going.
It's going. Look at that. Henry's like, quick, dash around, get the camera, get the camera.
You ready, Henry? Yeah.
Already made fire.
And of course, we have our Tinder bundle ready to go.
Our Tinder bundle.
Let's go have a look.
And then we just...
Can have a closer look.
Of course, this grass is from outside in the English countryside, so it might not be dry enough to actually... Looks promising. See what I mean by the smoke?
Yeah. Oh, I know what you're about the smoke anyway, so...
Right.
There we go. The this stuff
Ooh.
gone out. Usually, no, didn't do it.
What's that
Right,
stuff?
we'll play with that in a minute. Everybody got some matches?
I think that's pretty impressive.
90% of the way there.
What do you reckon? What do you reckon, little one, hey? What do you think?
Just thinking about it.
Hey? Nah. Don't want to get involved, Lexi. A bit too much moisture, but never mind.
Shame that. I thought that grass would be alright. Never mind.
What is this? What is this?
Slow,
And it does what now?
slow
Just keeps
burning.
burning.
And
Really slowly.
you just take your little...
People used to do that. They'd have a taper that they used to just bring around and it was slow burning.
So that's the fire making lesson over. I think it's time for cheese.
And presents.
Cheese and presents. Look at that card, that's so beautiful.
What do you want to go for first? Whatever you touch first, it's going to be open first. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
That's all our own colouring
That's all our own colouring in.
That's amazing. Look
What
at
does it say, Bubba?
that. Row. As much as we're enjoying it on the day. Aww.
You little cutie.
So, hopefully you'll enjoy this.
So when I bought this, it said age 1, and then when it arrived, it said age 3. I was like,
Look at this. You're going to have lots of fun.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness, what is this?
This one is... Yep. Now this, if you can master this, then you've bested Dad. It is musical.
A little bit grown up for you. I think maybe that. Yeah. Maybe we'll put that one back in the bag somewhere else.
So this one, when you get used to it, does this cool noise.
Wrapping everywhere.
Alexis just loves the wrapping.
There is something.
It's a herring!
A red herring.
Red herring.
This is gonna go
Now you must cut down the largest tree in the forest with the red herring!
This is gonna go in our scrapbook. This is
And this? It's bubble wrapped inside.
this one. She's like, what is this?
Hard drive!
A hard drive, so you can do all your memories.
An iPhone.
An iPhone.
An iPhone?
Yeah, it's her first phone.
This is your first phone. However, if you so choose to... What?
Did I write? Can I spell?
Oh yeah, you can wave it. Choose by waving this card. You can
Yeah, so you have to give
let
it.
Mummy use it to capture memories for you. Lots of love, Uncle Henry.
No, she's waved it, so that
Waved
means
it.
you're allowed to use it.
Really?
Are you being serious?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys. That's amazing.
Oh my god.
I thought it'd be useful.
Charlie's been talking about a new phone forever.
Oh my god.
Well, it's the most useful thing because you use it for business,
Just like,
and yeah, you can capture cool videos, and you've always got it on you. You'll have to choose your own case, but, and I chose green because green's cool.
oh my god, it's actually real. Like, wow.
I think there's a phone in there.
Is it
There's lots of red herrings in there.
Dick move.
There's the rest of the show.
Fish in there, an actual red herring.
and a weight because it's
Yeah.
actually like heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy that's amazing. We're gonna make so many movies, Baba.
Sorry, Bubba, you get the old one.
No, you can play with this one. Look at the little face is like, what am I supposed to do with this? Oh, you can lock this phone now. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, that's just spectacular. Oh, it's so precious. Oh my god.
Thought you can get your own case.
I can't get any decent
I can't get any here because
Oh,
it's
yeah.
rubbish.
Both of our phones are at the threshold of not being really.
I also, because I was having a look and thinking, I could do the refurbished 12, and then the 13 Pro has a really cool macro feature as well. So
what is this?
it's the 13 Pro, whatever the top thing is. Yeah, because you might as well have like your business relies on the best content, and that gives you a good chance of getting best content for doing Instagram and everything else. So
Wow. Thank you, guys.
That is amazing.
Very well.
Because I literally was just gonna survive with this one until Lexi throws it somewhere. Is your leg stuck all the way up inside here now? There's no leg. She gets her feet stuck out the other one. So you lay out. Oh, little one.
no.
You've got to keep the fish.
Oh my word.
But it is Lexi's phone. You're borrowing it.
I'm
by the time you're
I love that
16.
you're like, if she waves this,
Yep.
you should have said if she eats it.
It's all happening in the kitchen now. We've got Tom doing all the veg, chopping up the veg. Henry's looking after the bubs. Dad's doing the potatoes. This is a crucial part.
Potatoes usually.
Potato duty.
1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4.
Dad,
What comes next? I can't remember.
I don't know.
5 to
6
6
potatoes,
7 potato more.
more.
8 potato,
I
9
don't-
potato, 10, 11 and 12.
What?
I don't know the rest.
Is that the song?
Probably.
No way. That's crazy. Emily has done a fantastic job with piping icing onto the cupcakes. Look at that, that's so cool. We made red velvet cupcakes on request from Tom because that's what he wanted. And we've also got, Dad's clattering around, a courgette cake. So this is, and that's a little topper. I thought it was really cute. This is our nursery theme, is obviously travel. And little hot air balloon. I'm so hungry. When are we gonna have this raclette? This is the raclette setup. Got everything going. We've got our ham and got all the veggies there.
Never thought of that.
Potatoes. Okay, so we've got 2 types of raclette cheese. This one is the, which one is this then, Henry?
Swiss.
This one's the Swiss. This one's
The other one's Gruyere.
This one's Swiss and the other one is, it's pretty potent, isn't it? That one. And that one's the French raclette. And so the concept is, you put a few bits of cheese in your little tray. Trying to do this one-handed like this, there we go. Put it all in your little tray. And then you put your tray underneath the grill and it melts it. Yeah. It's pretty stinky cheese.
You get used to it, Baba.
Because Mummy loves stinky cheese. I'm full of cheese up to here. Oh my goodness. I am so full.
I'm full of cheese up to here because I'm not as greedy as Charlie.
I ate all the cheese. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little crazy adventure of lighting fires and cheese and Lexi's, a little bit of Lexi's birthday. We were doing it in sections, you know. And thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.